NPP State President and Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong yesterday criticized the former Congress government for political manoeuvring regarding the identification of CNRD bloc headquarters and cited this as a reason for him leaving the Grand Old Party to join the National People's Party. He said this during an election campaign for party candidate Phasmon Dakar at Wapung Skur in East Jaintia Hills. He explained that the Congress government shifted the headquarters from Wapung to Lom Shnong before the 2018 elections despite his earlier order as the CNRD minister to establish it in Wapung.
Jompi ya ka block headquarter hamni hakisnom jompi klade ka purom ka bakrau bat ka jingkerku ya ka snom barako hakapor bang abat mga ya ka senardi hakapor bidang long chief minister Dr. Mukul Sama habisin siya ngila notify ngila pemik ye bodar ba ka block headquarter na clear yat nginbu no hangne po wapung tim ma kadon ko politics ka baswa ka election kensan kira no syatay siya po lumsnong. Natay piatip lo block. Kensan mi ka notification ka ba om ba ya ka ni ka block nangi na wapong. Nginbu no hangtay halumsnong.